Quick bonus video, while I've got my rear wheel off at the moment, I've got some tyre marks which I need to get off of my exhaust and some of the bodywork. Now what I tried in the beginning was this stuff here, Auto Glim Intensive Tyre Remover. I've had it for quite a while now, never really used it. I tried it, it was not very good at all. So I thought, well, let's just try this. I've seen on YouTube before, they've done videos of cleaning toilets with this stuff. And so I thought, well, let's try a bit of Wd-40. You know what? It's blimmin' brilliant. So underneath here, when I bought it, at some point it had gone through a load of tyre. This was actually a lot worse than what it is now. I've already given it a bit of a going over. But as you can see there, it's pretty well splattered. So at some point it's gone through a load of tyre and done that. Now let me show you what happens when we add a bit of Wd-40 to the equation. First of all, spray it on. Be quite liberal with it, it's not going to do any harm. Let it soak in for a good amount of time, at least an hour, I would say. Right, two ways of doing this. We can use some scrunched up tin foil, which is one way of doing it. And what that does is it can take it off without being too damaging. And with the really stubborn stuff, or if you haven't got an exhaust that's too delicate, then you can use wire wool, which is what I'll do is I'll leave you to it and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, 45 minutes later and there you have it. A new looking exhaust. So bits that I use to do this is wire wool, a wire brush, which I'll put a link in the description for you, some tin foil, which was just perfect for doing this sort of work because it doesn't leave any scratches behind. And of course the magic formula, which is Wd-40. This stuff is absolutely brilliant for cleaning anything really on bikes. People have probably struggled in the past getting tyre stains off of their bodywork and exhausts and things. So yeah, like I say, a bit of Wd-40, wire wool, brush, some tin foil and you're away. Alright guys, see you on Friday. Have a good week. Cheers.